Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I've come up with another interesting embroidery design. So this is going to be a computerized machine embroidery design. So as I said in my previous video, we are having a page for sarees, silk sarees and other sarees also. So for that we are going to design this blouse. So before getting into the video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So these are the blouse sarees. So I have picked up some three designs, and for three designs you can just choose one blouse which we have designed. So the first one is going to be this pure silk saree with a multicolor border. It has green, pink and golden color. Mixed of these colors, it has a big border and a rich pallu, and it comes with a pink blouse. So in this design we have three colors. One is this blue, another one is going to be this green, parrot green kind. So all these are going to have the same border and pallu and blouse. So I thought of designing for this particular model. So this is going to be the green color, and the price for this is around 9,550, and the shipping will be free all over India. So these are all certified silk sarees, pure silk sarees, and the delivery will be in 5 to 7 days. And if you want the blouse to be customized by us, then it will be taking around 10 to 15 days for delivery. So all the product will be checked before delivery. You can have a video call. Once you have made the payment, then we can have a video call session where you can check the saree by yourself, but only after the payment and confirmation we will do this. Before sending the product, we will be showing you the video of this blouse and the saree. You can also customize any designs with us. So this is going to be just an idea from us, from my idea of designing for these saree. So this is the third color, white and multicolor combination. So the next is going to be this is a very nice sea green color. So sea greens are very common nowadays, and since I have picked the blouse in pink, I thought it will go with this sea green, and this is for around 10,550 with a pure silver zari work, and all these are free shipping all over India. And these again, just the process is the same. If you want, you can take this embroidery which we have designed, or you can just customize it with us also. So for customization we need 10 to 15 days time, and for without customization, if you don't want any blouses, then you can just take the saree as such for rupees 10,550. So the third is going to be a very nice yellow. This is going to be rupees 6,900, free shipping all over India. This is a pure Gadwal handloom silk sarees. This is a pure yellow one. So as I told you, I have picked pink color material. So this is going to, so this blouse which I have designed now is going to be matching for all these sarees. So if you pick any of these sarees, then you can go for this blouse. So this is just an idea. So if you want to see more saree collection, then check out my page Sarees Official. So let's get into the blouse. So this is what we have designed. So this is completely thread work. So previously I've shown many RE embroidery works where we have used a lot of stones, beads and zari work. So what I felt was when it comes to thread or zari, I prefer thread work, because thread work stays for a long time. Zari will not, because the beads turns out to be black, and the zari turns out, golden zari turns to be black. At the same time, so stones will fall off. So for that, this one, thread embroidery seems to be good, and the pricing also will be at a reasonable cost. So this is what I have designed for these for this blouse. It's a pure silk cotton blouse, 1 meter silk cotton blouse, and we have given the front, back and the design for the front, back, neck and for the hands. So this is all about the design. It comes with 3 color combination: green, gold and pink color. So as you can see in this video, this is how these stitches are going to be. It's a simple U neck. I've taken a simple U neck, and for this let me show you in detail about the stitches. So as you can see, first line is going to be a triangle shape of green thread, using green thread, and then a zigzag kind, and then it comes in between. We have placed the stones and the thread work. So instead of stones we can place mirror also, but based upon your request we can change it. Again the same thing is repeated on the other seam. So this is going to be the back neck. As you can see, this is how it will look for the complete back neck. And for the front neck also, we have given it in the same place. You can see here on the top, if you see, it's for the front neck, and for the hands you will get the same design. So this is what we have designed for this video. So if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell button to get notified. Thanks for watching.